Today I'm going to teach you how to make faux stone on top of recycled cardboard. First, cover your whole box in gesso. This makes the cardboard super strong and gives you a good base. Then cover the entire box in a medium shade of gray acrylic paint. Now you want to draw on your stones using a pencil and a ruler so they're nice and straight. Now take 4 different colors of acrylic paint and apply them using a flat brush. You can use any 4 colors you want. I'm using a nice light stone color, light sand color, sort of a reddish brown, a medium gray, and then I'm actually using the dark gray also from the base color. Now take a round brush and you want to literally hit the paint with the brush. This mixes it, but you don't want to over mix it. Be careful not to over blend it because you still want it to have that texture of stone. So just go in with the round brush and hit it as hard as you can until the paint is barely mixed. Some of the stones I'm only using 3 colors, but you can use 3 or 4. Kind of mix it up. You don't want each stone to be the same. You really want each stone to look a little different. So again, I'm applying 3 or 4 colors, and then I'm going in with my round brush and hitting it as hard as I can to blend it. Now take a smaller brush and your lightest color, I'm using my sand color here, to draw along the tops of each of the stones and along the sides as well. This is your highlight. After you apply this highlight, you want to take a dark gray and draw along the bottom of each stone and the other side, the opposite side of the highlight. That creates your shadow. Then lastly, you want to apply a thin black line between each of the stones. So there you go, guys. That's your faux stone on top of recycled cardboard. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.